Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Novel Namareza.
And I am Zaina Shadiki.
We are going to explain about our project charter. It's called Modernization of Majapahit Gym. So, for the vision to transform Majapahit Gym into a tech-integrated, community-oriented fitness hub to remain competitive against modern digital innovation and new workout trends. And then for the primary strategy, upgrade infrastructure, introduce smart systems, and rebrand to attract modern audience. For the project goals and success criteria, for the core goal, we want to modernize into a state-of-the-art facility that meets current market experience or expectation. And then for the key performance indicators, we want to membership to achieve a 20% increase in active members within quarter 1 2026, and then satisfaction rates more than 80% member satisfaction in post-launch surveys. And then digital integration, full seamless operation of membership, booking and access control system. And then for the timeline, we want to completion within a fixed 4 month window from October 2025 until January 2026. And then for the project scope, in scope versus out of scope, for the in scope activities, we want to replacement of outdated equipment with 20 high users machines, and then interior innovation, focusing on Instagram aesthetic with murals and LED lightings. And then for the out of scope constraint, no structural changes or land purchases, no luxury features like air conditioners, pools or saunas. We want to utilizing Bandung school clinics, and also strict focus on fitness only operations.
Okay, so we'll go to the implementation strategy. So for the smart procurement, we are sourcing 70% certified second-hand equipment and 30% from local fabricators to save 60% compared to new gear. And then for our digital lens tech, we are using 100% free tools like Google Sheet, Form, or WhatsApp API to eliminate app development costs. And then for the eco-efficient renovation, we are utilizing 5mm rubber mats from tire factories and industrial fans instead of expensive AC units. And then for our marketing, we are rebranding as Gymnya Rakyat Bandung using micro-influencer paid via membership rather than cash. And then we go to the project timeline and WBS. So for the past one, planning and initiation, we will do it in October 2025. Member surveys, supplier mapping, and finalizing the IDR 1 billion budget. And for the phase 2, procurement and renovation, November until December 2025, we are using equipment acquisition, flooring, mural painting, and digital system installation. And for phase 3, testing and launch at January 2026, start staff training, 48-hour digital stress test, and the grand opening. And for the grand opening date is scheduled for January 10, 2026. Okay, so for the budget and financial controls, the total budget strictly capped at $1 billion or 1 billion rupiah. We are allocation breakdown for equipment 38% in 380 million rupiah, renovation for 25% for 250 million, digital system 12% for 120 million rupiah, marketing and launch 10% for 100 million rupiah, contingency 50% for 150 million rupiah, and Iron First controls weekly budget reviews and a requirement that 80% of material be sourced from Bandung. And then for the funding and communication plan, funding strategy, will do pre-sale membership target of 4,000 early bird pays It's around 600 million rupiah. Crowdfunding Kita Bisa campaign for 200 million rupiah. Reserve 150 million rupiah from gym saving. And for communication stack, we will use financial dashboard like live Google Sheets shared with top members for transparency, coordination, Majapahit modernization WhatsApp group for real-time updates, training SOP digital library host on YouTube for staff. And then for our risk management and conclusion, then top risk and mitigation, our budget overruns prevent by 80% local sourcing and weekly reviews, equipment quality mitigate by pre-purchase inspection and backup local fabricators, funding shortfall addressed by aggressive TikTok marketing and referral programs. And for our conclusion, this project revitalized Majapahit Gym's identity through scrappy high impact upgrades, and ensuring long-term sustainability and a healthier community. Okay, I think that's all for our presentation about our Majapahit transformation gym to modern gym, and thank you.